Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of the Mail app on iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can't log out of your account from within the Mail app. To do it, open up the iPhone Settings app. In Settings, scroll down to and open Passwords and Accounts. Under Accounts, it will list your mail account, whether it's Gmail, Yahoo, or anything else. Tap on the account you want to log out of. If you just want to temporarily hide your email account from the Mail app, you could just disable the toggle for Mail here. If you go back to the Mail app, that account will be removed. To fully log out though, go back to the settings we were just in and tap Delete Account. Tap Delete Account again in the pop-up. Your email account has now been logged out of the Mail app. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.